In this Electude tutorial, we'll introduce you to Electude student groups. Groups is how you'll arrange your students by class. To create a group, go to the Students tab, then click the plus button. Name your group. You can create as many groups as you need to keep your students separated. Within each main group, you can create subgroups. You would go down here and click on the plus under groups. So here we see we have a main group, Teacher A, with subgroups A1 and A2. Teacher B, we can do the same for him or her. Once your groups are created, you can go into a main group folder, go into the subgroup, and you can register your students. To register students, click on the plus and enter an email address. Once you start typing, another line will appear where you could enroll a second or third student. Every so often, just click add, and that will create the student ID. The student will receive an email with instructions on how to log in and finish their account setup. The next step would be to assign content to a group. So we are inside group A1. We can assign courses or modules. It's much more efficient to assign a course because it's an organization. If you click the plus, you might get this message, no favorites to find. This is very common if you're just brand new to the Electude site. You don't have any favorites set up yet. So you can go to courses, go into your product. You may have to make several clicks to get down to the course you want to assign. If I wish to assign Brakes Chapter 1, I open up the Brakes course and I click on Chapter 1. This loads the chapter up here in the Courses tab. You can see it highlighted here in small print. We can put this course now in my favorites if I choose by clicking the plus, or I can simply go back to the Students tab. Because it's now loaded, I can click the plus under Courses. There's Chapter 1, and I can click Add. We'll do that again with Group A2. We pick the chapter we want to assign, and we click on the plus under Courses. There's Chapter 1. Click Add to assign. As an alternative, we can go here into Group B, and we'll load Group B1. You can use the click and drag feature as well. So if I go back here to A5 Brakes, I can also put my mouse over Chapter 1, left click and hold down, and drag the course to the student group B1. To repeat that process for the other group, I go back to the Students tab, click on B2, go back to Courses, place your mouse over Chapter 1, left click, and drag to the top menu bar. Hover it over B2 and release. Check your work by clicking on the Students tab, and here we see that in Teacher B, B2, Chapter 1 is assigned. Group B1, Chapter 1 is also assigned. We can collapse the B folder, open up the A folder, and check each subgroup here to ensure that they have content assigned. To remove content, you tick on the little box, then the little trash can, delete, and it removes the content from the group. If you wish to assign different content, go back to courses. We can go back to classroom. Pick another subject if you choose, engine repair. Put your mouse over the chapter you wish to assign. Left click, drag, and drop.